Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pratyush, and in today's video we are going to create a very simple GUI of a calendar app. This is going to be a very beautiful application that we will be creating using CustomTkinter. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so first of all you have to do is simply install all the required modules. In this case, there is single module which is CustomTkinter. So just you have to type pip install CustomTkinter on your terminal, and this will install the CustomTkinter latest version. Now this is the library which is customized version of the Tkinter, which lets you create amazing looking GUI. So with that being said, let's start the coding part. Let's start by importing our required modules. We import CustomTkinter for building our modern user interface. We also import datetime and calendar, which will help us in generating months and managing the dates. Next, we need to create our main class called modern calendar app, which inherits from ctk.ctk. Now this creates our main app window. Inside the constructor, we set the title, window size, and apply a dark theme with a blue color accent. We then define a modern color palette including deep blues, purple, pink, and accent of a mild blue. This gives the app a futuristic and premium look. We store the current date, the selected date, and the empty dictionary to hold our events. Finally, we call three functions to build the headers, the calendar grid and the event panel. Now let's build the header section, the top navigation bar of our calendar. So first we have to create a frame. Inside it, we place the four elements: a previous month button, a month year label, a today button, and the next month button. The arrow button allows us to move forward or backward through months by calling the previous month and the next month functions. The today button instantly snaps back to the actual current date. The month labeled in the center update dynamically and always reflect the current displayed date. This makes the navigation much more smoother and intuitive for the user. Here we create the entire calendar grid. We start with a frame that holds all the date call. The first row displays the weekdays, name from Sunday to Saturday, highlighted in a pink accent. Then using the two nested loop, we generate 6 rows and 7 columns, giving us a total 42 date buttons. This layout can display any month properly, even months that starts midweek. Each cell in a CustomTkinter button, and later our display month function will fill this button with the correct date numbers. This creates a clean and fully responsive calendar layout. On the right side of our window, we create the event panel. At the top, we add an event title. Below that, we display the current selected date. Initially, it says selected date. Then we add a text entry box where user can type an event and button to add event. Then the user presses this button, the event is stored in our dictionary under the selected date. Finally, we add a text box. This displays all the events for the specific day. This lets the user to see multiple tasks or reminders at a glance. The display month function is the heart of the calendar. First, it updates the month year label using the current date. Then it uses Python dictionary.monthCalendar function to generate a matrix representation of the entire month. For each day, we identify 3 possibilities. 1. The button is empty because it's outside the month. 2. It's a regular day. Or 3. It's today's date, which is highlighted in blue. If date has saved in event, we highlight it using green color and make it stand out. Each button is also assigned a specific command, so when the user calls it, it triggers select date. When a user clicks a date, the select date function runs. It updates the selected date label and show all the events saved in that date. The add event function handles adding new tasks. It checks that a date is selected, reads the text from any entry field, and stores it inside our event dictionary. After adding an event, we refresh both the event panel and the calendar grid, so the changes appear instantly. This function clears the event text box and then checks if there is any event for the selected date. If event exists, it lists them one by one. If there is no event in the display, then it says no event for this day. This gives the interface more clean and easy to understand. These functions handle all the navigation, like the previous months move the month forward, next month moves 1 month backward, and go to date jumps back to the current monthly date. After every change, we call display_month. so the calendar refreshes automatically. Finally, we have created an instance of our app and start the Tkinter event loop. And that's it, your modern interactive calendar app in Python is ready. You can now have date navigation, event tracking, color highlighting, and a clean modern user interface built entirely using CustomTkinter. I hope this video was really helpful, and if it was, then consider subscribing, hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep creating. Goodbye.